The state of Indiana with a proposal to change Medicaid waivers that would end payments to parents, spouses, or legal guardians who had been receiving money to take care of their disabled loved ones. WRTV's Rachael Wilkerson breaks it down for us tonight.
Some children or adults require around-the-clock care because of a disability.
I have to, have eyes on my son at 24/7.
Casey Anderson cares for her son Dallas.
He is deaf. He does have cerebral palsy. He has seizures.
She's paid through the state's Medicaid aged and disabled waiver services, but those checks and benefits could end soon. This week, the Family and Social Services Administration proposed ending payments to parents, spouses, or legal guardians, getting paid to take care of their disabled loved ones.
It's not fair. It's not fair to us. It's not fair to the children. It's just not fair. I really, I've really been impacted by this.
In December, the state announced a nearly $1 billion budget shortfall for Medicaid health coverage and waiver services. Anderson says paying families is necessary due to frequent doctor visits, therapy, and care. People on the program average $13 to $15 an hour.
Thousands of families have been able to stay at home with their kids and still have an income to provide. That's one of the biggest things.
Eric Deichman with Tender Care Home Health Services says other caretakers could still qualify for the waivers, but not those closest to the child or adult needing care.
No more parent caregivers. Nobody, who's the legally responsible individual can now provide care for their family member.
Instead, parents, spouses, or legal guardians could be placed in a program that will result in a daily payment around $35. Anderson says that means more parents will have to find other caretakers.
It's going to be catastrophic because there's going to be families who aren't going to be able to get somebody to come into the home. They will have to take their child to a facility, or they may even have to be put into a facility.
Rachael Wilkerson, WRTV.
There is a rally on Monday in hopes to prevent this from happening. Families plan to pack the State House around noon.